The White House announced an initiative to collect wearable data from citizens and incorporate that into a broader ecosystem and potentially feed that data into insurance companies, into broader healthcare organizations. I ultimately think it's a good thing. There are a lot of concerns around this. I did a LinkedIn post speaking to this. And overall, we as a health industry, in fact, I think in our last couple minutes, we were talking about the impact that a wearable has on our health. The question is, why is this not part of healthcare? When 60% of Americans live with chronic illness, 90% of healthcare spending goes to treating preventable conditions. Yet our entire healthcare system is designed to wait until disease happens and then we act. There's a lot of concerns around privacy. Like, is the government going to be surveilling you? How are we going to create interoperability?
I can also see a very strong argument. It's almost like, well, do we want to give the government more information? How much do they need to know about what's happening to us? Does that give them, what's going to happen to the data? Does it give them more control to collaborate with some of the drugs companies? Like, there's a number of negatives that you can say, but also
look, they have access to our bank accounts. They could see our credit cards. They, essentially could surveil us through our phones today.
It comes down to the fundamental question of trust, and people generally do not trust the government.